Welcome once again, my fashion lovers, to today's tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. It is free. Alright, today we'll be looking at how to make an apron. My daughter wants me to make an apron for her. So, as a pattern drafter, I had to do it for her. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's go straight to the tutorial. To know the length of the rope you're going to put for the person, you put your tape round your neck and measure from where your chest measurement is going to start. You measure from there, and what I have here is 20. So the rope is going to be length 20. All right, let's begin. The length I'm working with for the apron is length 30. I'm working with length 30, but I'm going to subtract 5 because it's going to be an off shoulder. I'm going to subtract 5 from it. I'll subtract 5. Okay, let me take away 4. I will subtract 4 from it. Subtract 4. Let me mark my starting point. This is going to be my starting point. From here, I will subtract 4 to get my waistline. The waistline I'm working with is 10 inches and the length is 30 inches. I'll mark 30 inches here. And I really felt the chest line, the waist, and the length. All right. To get the chest measurements, to get her chest measurement is 10. Her chest measurement is 10. But because I'm drafting it here, I'm going to take half of 10 is 5. Half of 10, so I'm going to mark 5 here. When I'm going to transfer it on my fabric, I'm going to put the fabric on fold to get the full length. I'll mark half of 10, that is 5. On the waist I'm working with is 26. That is for the front and back. But because I'm going to do only the front waist, I'm going to divide the 26 by 2, giving me 13. 26 divided by 2 will give me 13. And because I'm drafting on paper, I'm going to divide that waist again by 2, making it 6.5. I'll put 6.5 here, plus half-inch sewing allowance. By the time I cut this on fabric, which is going to be on fold, is going to complete the waist measurement. I'm going to use the curve ruler to connect it. And from this waist, I'm going to take it down to the length. From this waist, I'm going to take it down to the length of the, as if I'm doing an A-line fabric. As if I'm doing an, I will take it down to the length. At these down parts, I'm going to come up by 2 inches. Come up by 2 inches to give it a curve at the hemline. I'm going to connect to the, give it a curve, connect to the hemline. As simple as ABC. As simple as ABC. Now let's cut. With this, I'm going to use it to draft. With this, I'm going to use it to cut on the fabric. This is what we have. This is what we have. Now I'm going to fold my fabric into two. Put it on fold and cut. Put your fabric, put your pattern paper on top and cut. Now I'm going to cut. This waist I would not shift because I'll put my rope there. I'll put rope here. I will not shift. Can you see what I have here? Can you see what I have? So that's rope I measured. What I took away 4 inches plus, you know, I showed you the video where I measured my round neck. I'm going to use that. I'm going to cut out the rope and attach it here. Then use bias to tidy it up. If you want to put a pocket to your own, you can cut a pocket and put. For the rope round the neck, I'm going to take 18 inches. This is 18 inches. So I'm going to cut. The rope, I'm going to fold it like this, sew it, turn before attaching it to the apron. And from the waist, I'm going to attach a rope to it. For the waist, I'm going to attach a rope to it. You can take any rope you want. You can take any inches that you want. For the pocket I'm going to attach, I'm making use of 9 inches for the length, 9 inches for the length, and width 13.5, depending on how you want it to be. I'm going to use this white bias to tape it round. Put it on your fabric. Put it on your fabric. I'm going to put it on my fabric and tape it round the whole apron. Let me do it and show you. After attaching everything, this is what you're going to have. Use your bias to wrap it round the neck and the apron. Please, if you have any question, go to the comment section and ask your questions. Thank you.